Oh yeah, with the light that helps. Oh my god, it's cray cray cat eyes. Yeah. Okay, wait. I don't know if we go like that. How about some orbs? No? Any more? More? You know. Yep. Yes. Hi. There you are. Are you gonna set off the light? Whoa, that was so cool. Do that. You could do that again. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Otis is not tripping either. This is happening right above him. He like wants to snuggle with you. Yeah. Oh my god, what was that? Is that over here? Oh, there you go. Are you gonna light it off? I mean, are you gonna light the thing again? What do you think? Wow. Well, you are amazing. And I know, and I just wanna, I can't give enough thanks and gratitude. The love is oozing out of my heart and out to you and everywhere. It's so intense. I know. Hi. I just saw that right in the upper corner on the left. Yeah. Oh, hi. I know. I know. Thank you so much. And I can be such a pain in the butt too. And you just stick it out with me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Otis really likes you. You pass. You pass the pet test. You're like part of the family. I know, right? You are. Yeah. No, you are. We're the family. We are all a family. Yeah. Well. Oh, hello. I know. Well, you are doing amazing, amazing, amazing work. Thank you. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Otis is chilling. Otis is not tripping at all. Family.